Investing in children. Strengthening our community.
Pinellas County citizens have a rich history of making children a top priority and investing in their futures. In 1945, they were the first in the nation to collectively say, "All children matter," by creating the Juvenile Welfare Board, an independent special taxing district committed to strengthening the lives of Pinellas County children and families. JWB's Board of Directors guides the community's investment to achieve proven results and to foster innovative partnerships that help tens of thousands of children and families each year. Through the years, we've changed to meet the dynamic strengths and needs of Pinellas County's children, while continuously striving for transparency, accountability, and organizational excellence. A testament to our quest for excellence was validated last year when JWB achieved national accreditation through the prestigious Council on Accreditation, or COA, regarded as the highest standard of quality accreditation in the child and family services industry. JWB is known as a catalyst and staunch advocate for children, families, and the community. As innovators, thought leaders, and conveners, we are concerned about all children and the whole child. We responsibly invest community funds to ensure they have the foundation they need to be successful, from cradle to career. Last year, the Juvenile Welfare Board invested nearly $46 million for children's services, for a total of 60 programs designed to strengthen the lives of children and families, delivered by 36 agencies funded in partnership with JWB, and serving more than 54,000 children and parents in Pinellas County, improving their lives and giving them brighter tomorrows. JWB's 3 areas of focus are crucial to the healthy development of our county's youngest residents and to the overall vitality of our community: school readiness, school success, and the prevention of child abuse and neglect. Success in life begins much earlier than a child's first report card. It begins at birth. And we know that children who start kindergarten behind their peers have a tendency to fall further behind as they grow up. JWB believes every child deserves to enter kindergarten ready to learn. Last year, JWB's investment in school readiness programs helped more than 12,000 children gain the basic skills they needed to start school ready to learn. In 2011, JWB began a strategic shift from simply funding child care slots to investing in high-quality early learning. This was based on state and national research that cites quality early learning as one of the most cost-effective ways to ensure the healthy development of children while offering the greatest returns to society. Florida Tax Watch, for example, reports that for every dollar invested now in quality early education for Florida's children, $7 is saved in taxpayer burden later, demonstrating the economic value and societal gains of quality early learning. In response, JWB led a series of community conversations and utilized research to create the 8 components of high-quality early learning. These include bachelor's level teachers, research-based curriculum, low teacher-to-student ratios, and an emphasis on parent engagement. In 2012, a program model featuring the quality components was designed, and an agency was selected to open 3 centers under JWB's new Quality Early Learning Initiative. The centers serve Pinellas County children of the lowest means and greatest needs, from birth through entry into kindergarten. Program outcomes to date show significant progress is being made for all children at all age levels in all learning and developmental areas.
He's been more productive since he's been here, and they're helping him with him walking and everything, and he's trying to talk. He's just doing a lot of things, and it's like really amazing, so I'm grateful for him being here.
Through awareness and influence, JWB has led a movement around quality early learning, helping build capacity and changing the conversation from childcare to school readiness. Others have adopted JWB's quality early learning components, including the Lou Williams Center for Early Learning, which opened in August 2014, JWB is also partnering with St. Petersburg College on specialized certificate programs to increase the pool of high-quality early educators. Thanks to multiple efforts, today there are 30% more children entering kindergarten from subsidized child care settings who are ready to learn. High-quality early learning is making a difference. More children are mastering the skills they need to start school ready to learn. More parents are engaged in their child's learning process, and more capacity is being built in the community to ensure children have a solid foundation for a lifetime of learning. JWB believes every child deserves the opportunity to be successful. Enriching and supporting the learning and development of school-aged children is the goal of JWB's School Success Programs. Last year, JWB's School Success Program served more than 11,000 children, helping them improve academic skills and develop character attributes that support success in school and in life. By investing in quality out-of-school time, or OST programs, the learning that occurs during a child's academic school day can be reinforced, while at the same time promoting his or her social and emotional health. And by offering programs during the summer, learning loss that's more pronounced for children of low-income families can be averted. Promise Time is a partnership with Pinellas County Schools, strengthening the link between the child's school day and the OST program. It features an individualized, web-based learning tool that provides up-to-date feedback to teachers about student progress. Last year, as a result of JWB's investments, a total of 2,300 elementary school children were served at 28 Promise Time sites. Plus, students participating in Promise Time had average gains of 94% in math and 89% in reading.
I like the math because it's like all about solving skills and learning new things.
JWB also provided extended care for participants in Summer Bridge, Pinellas County Schools' enhanced summer learning program. Providing this support over the summer months assured working parents that their children received high-quality social and recreational services that rounded out their child's academic day. Last year, JWB's investments allowed more than 2,200 elementary school children the opportunity to participate in Summer Bridge. JWB recently completed a successful 4-year pilot project known as the Children's Initiative at Fairmount Park Elementary School. The pilot provided an enriched learning environment for students supported by community partnerships, social services, and engaged parents. Results among pilot participants included gains in school readiness, reading and math, increased parent engagement, and improved classroom behavior. Given its success, Pinellas County Schools announced its intent to scale up the successful components of the pilot school-wide and at 4 other low-performing elementary schools. JWB believes every child deserves to grow up and thrive in a safe environment. JWB invests in programs and partnerships that promote child safety and well-being and that foster family stability. These programs enhance the attributes families possess that help them succeed and thrive even in the face of adversity. Last year, JWB's investments aimed at preventing child abuse and neglect served more than 12,000 children, helping strengthen, support, and meet their basic needs. JWB's home visiting programs serve at-risk households such as low-income, single parents, relative caregivers, and expecting and new parents. Nurses, social workers, and highly trained members of the community work with parents to improve parenting skills, reinforce child safety, and promote positive child development.
It's nice to learn new things, because you get, your mom friends that, all have their own, parenting styles, but it's nice to have somebody who's in the, that was in the medical field that kind of knows the background of everything, and you can kind of get that perspective as well, which I really like about having the nurse. And, teaching me sign language. I never thought to do sign language with my child, and my daughter now knows 3 different signs because she can't really talk yet. So she signs to me, and I would never have thought to do that.
The Family Services Initiative, or FSI, is a strategic partnership of community agencies working to strengthen families and improve outcomes for children. This collective approach connects agencies and resources together to provide referrals, linkages, and real-time support for families. FSI ensures the right service is delivered at the right time in the right amount, before deeper end, more costly services are needed. Specially trained staff work with families to remove barriers and link them with timely necessities such as temporary housing, food, and transportation. Last year, JWB's investments in the Family Services Initiative helped more than 17,000 families before their problems compounded, before they wound up living in their cars, before their children were placed into foster care. JWB is committed to ensuring that the basic needs of children are met, especially those who do not have enough food at night, on the weekends, or during summer break. JWB's food programs serve hungry children year-round, ensuring they have access to nourishing, shelf-stable meals, and by distributing these meals in schools, neighborhood family centers, and through other JWB partner agencies. JWB's 3 community councils serve as a bridge to Mid, South, and North Pinellas County, acting in an advisory capacity to identify critical needs that impact children and families and understanding the pulse of their communities.
Simply put, we help connect the work that JWB does to the community. Council members serve as ambassadors, providing recommendations and helping to identify gaps in services for children in all geographic areas. And because our members come from varied backgrounds, we're able to extend JWB's reach, influence, and connection throughout Pinellas County.
In addition, our 8 neighborhood family centers help thousands of children and families each year. They are located in areas of highest need and provide services in Pinellas County's 5 identified poverty zones. JWB's longtime involvement with the Pinellas Prosperity Partnership connects families to financial education and asset building opportunities. Plus, our coordination of the Voluntary Income Tax Assistance Program brought more than $6 million in tax refunds to low and moderate income families last year. These efforts result in increased innovation, resources, and reach that ultimately means stronger families and stronger communities. Last year, other collaborative efforts connected agencies and resources together to address complex issues that stand in the way of healthy children and families. For example, JWB partnered with the Tampa Bay Rays, area YMCAs, and others on a successful water safety campaign called Be Water Smart from the Start that provided free swim and water safety lessons to about 1,500 Pinellas County children over the summer. It's part of a regional campaign that addresses the 3 leading causes of preventable childhood deaths in the Tampa Bay area: drowning, unsafe sleep, and abusive head trauma. Partners include DCF, the Hillsborough Children's Board, Eckerd Community Alternatives, and multiple child safety experts. Investing in children and strengthening our community. JWB welcomes opportunities to partner to ensure the needs of our county's youngest residents are addressed. We understand that everyone has a stake in the future of Pinellas County's children. Together, we can help them realize more successful and satisfying lives through our collective efforts.